Greetings to everyone. Today our topic is subtraction with radics complements. Nothing but r's complement. That r may be your base, that is base 10, 2, 8 or 16, anything. Now these are the three steps to follow to perform the subtraction using complements. First, what is the minuend and subtrahend are given, we need to, though we are performing subtraction, but using complement, we actually perform the addition and we get the same answer as we get the answer from the subtraction. The first step, add minuend m to the r's complement of the subtrahend n. Then if m is greater than or equals to n, the n carry will be produced. If it is so, discard it. If it is less than n, if minuend is less than subtrahend, it will not produce any carry. And we will get the answer. We need to take the r's complement of the sum of a and we have to place negative sign in front. So for example, now let us see for the decimal number system. For decimal number system, your base is 10 and the question is given, subtract 3250 from 7232 and vice versa. So in today's session, we will start first this. That means from this data, I can see that my minuend is 72532 and your subtrahend, which is n, which is 3250. Okay, and both of them are the basis of 10. They are decimal numbers. Now to perform the subtraction of this, as I said, complement itself, when you are doing complement means we need not to subtract, we need to add that two numbers, right? But the way of adding is what? We need to check before adding very first step, you make sure that the number of digits in both, that is in m and n, should be equal. Number of digits should be equal. Now here I can say in minuend you have 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here m you have 4 digits. So first of all they should be equal. So therefore I will rewrite my m by appending 0 so that I will have 5 digits into it. 0, 3, 2, 5, 0. This will be my 5 digits. Now this is 5 digits, subtract is 5 digits, minuend is 5 digits. That means they are equal in numbers. So very first step, you should just try to make your minuend equals to subtrahend, not the number wise, the digits in the number. That should be equal. Okay. In the second step, we need to add this two. Before adding these two, what we are asked to do is we have to take the r's complement of the subtrahend n. That means now the n is 03250. I need to take the r's complement of my subtrahend. So to do so, what I will do is I will take r's complement. Here my r is 10. Therefore, the tens complement of subtrahend n, I can get like 9's complement of n plus 1. Nothing but 9's complement of n plus 1 means what? How many digits I'm having? 5 digits. 5 nines minus the actual number plus 1. If you do so, the result will be 96750. Right? That means this is my tens complement of the subtrahend n. For the tens complement of subtrahend, I need to add to the minuend what my minuend was. My minuend was 72532 and the tens complement of the subtrahend m becomes 96750. Now you need to add this two. So my answer will be and here you can see because of this addition, your end carry got generated. The end carry is produced. That means when the end carry will generate, if you see, if your m is greater than n, if your m is greater than or equals to m, then you can see if m is greater than n, you can see it produces a carry, and at any carry will produce, and you need to discard it, right? M was greater than or equals to n. Here you can see this is where m, which is 72532, that means only 2532, which is greater than 3250. So obviously L carry has to be generated, and that is what you have seen here. You got the L carry generated. So what we will do, we need to discard this carry. We need to discard this R carry. That means the remaining end carry we will discard. So what will be the final answer is, that means m minus n. Though you do subtraction, but you actually have done addition because you are using complement method, and your answer is 69282. If you do the decimal addition, decimal subtraction of the given number was, your m was 72532 and your n was 3250. If you have done this subtraction, definitely we know that the answer which we get is this only. So this answer, both are same. So we have verified when we have done normal subtraction. This is your ordinary subtraction. Whereas in this you have performed the tens complement subtraction. Tens complement. Using tens complement, you have performed this subtraction, but actually you have done the addition. So this is the beauty of your complement method, wherein you can actually do the addition to get the result of subtraction. You can, as a homework, you can do the reverse, as I said here, vice versa. You can practice at home, and if anything, if you are able to do, please let me know. Thank you.